video tour of our island. So it's a, I think that's the driver and his wife. It's a Toyota carrier. It's loaded with all the ceilings are padded leather. It's got a funky entertainment system and DVD. Look at the roof here. It's got a mirrored roof like a limousine. And it's leather seats, and it's a 9-seater. Very nicely air conditioned, and a nice little ride for me and Rhonda, isn't it? A little private ride. So we're just walking down the street in Phuket Old Town. And the first thing you notice about this town, compared to any other town we've been to, is it looks very European. The architecture you can see down the road here. And I go across the road, and you can see all the colourful houses. Very French, European, colonial looking. Very cool. Where's Rhonda? There's Rhonda. Yeah, beautiful buildings. Very nicely decorated. It is so hot though, oh my goodness. On the other side of the coast, the island, it was very cooling with the offshore breeze. Here we're back to that hot air blowing in your face. Just not cooling at all. But very clean here. That's one thing we noticed in this old town immediately. Like, there's no garbage and the sidewalks are spotlessly clean. It's a very strange feeling here. It kind of feels a bit European as you're walking down these streets. It's very laid back feeling. Very quiet. There's a lot of vendors, like a lot of little shops here, but they're not at all pushy, unlike the places we've just left. It's a nice change. I just stopped at the roadside at this little local bar. Randy? Ordered a couple of Singer beers, a local dish, and the view is the old buildings. Nice, eh? So colourful. The oldest guy moves. The oldest guy is driving. His brothers are, or his friends, or whatever they are, on the back. Waiting for it to take off. Here you go. Cool, eh? Cool way to get home from school with your buddies. They don't use barbed wire fence in Thailand. They'll just use broken glass. And this is right next to a school. This is where the school's just let out. And there's school kids everywhere. Just weird seeing this, eh? Just a death trap if anybody was to climb up there, any of the kids. So it's interesting walking around, the things you see. We've been walking for about an hour and a half up and down the streets of Phuket Old Town now. Seeing lots of things, and the architecture is just wonderful here. We're hoping we're not lost. I don't think we're lost. We're just following a paper map from the hotel, which has been photocopied probably 1,000 times over the last 5 years. It seems to be doing the trick right now. And the map shows us this self-guided walking tour to see the architectural buildings in the Old Town. Lobby of the Casablanca Hotel in Old Town, Phuket. And this morning we are waiting for a ride to the pier to get a ferry across to Koh Phi Phi Island. We've already paid for the ferry. I'm just going to have a breakfast, a coffee, and a croissant. And then we'll go on our way. This was actually one of the, might be the nicest hotel we've been in so far. Rhonda? Good hotel, right?
Amazing. That's what we had so far. So nice.
Yeah, I see.
So sweet.
So here's the my light breakfast for this morning before the ferry. A fresh latte in the glass and a fresh baked croissant. Smelling beautiful flowers and my beautiful wife.
I'm having a Cliff Bar from home and a banana.
Perfect. Get a bundle of health. And we're waiting for the ride, taxi, van, or whatever it is to come pick us up. Take us to the ferry terminal. Okay, our ride has arrived. That's our transport over there. Just going to wait to get across the road now. The hotel staff won't let us carry our bags, they are taking them over there for us. The service here in this hotel has been amazing. Now we're going to wait and try and navigate across this busy road where seems to be never-ending stream of traffic. Made it.
Thank you very much. Everything
Thank
was
you so
perfect.
much.